Hello everyone! You might see that I have on the Rubik's Cube, and it's a 9 times 9 times 9 Rubik's Cube. And I'm gonna today teach you how to not break it or something like that. And the first rule is to not just to turn it really careful. And the second rule is if it gets like this, then you literally smash it together. And then the third rule is not to take it with another Rubik's Cube. So like this, then you literally can drop it and then it breaks. Probably, if it isn't magnetic. But if it is like magnets, then these rules you maybe not need to do, cause that make them harder to break. So now it's the end of the video. Bye bye.